In today's Bitcoin analysis on daily time frame, we have this level of support for the price with several touches on that. And if you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we have a candle we want on this level of support, and it is time to enter buy position here, set your stop loss below the candle and look for your reward. The price gave us our reward once over here, okay, but the price is in the way to give us our more rewards, like risk reward 2 and 3 somewhere here, okay. But for those who are trading based on breakouts like me, we can wait for this trend line to be broken to the upside. Then we can enter buy position in that time with more safety, because we have the support, the candle and the breakout signal. 3 reasons to enter buy position, so we can risk on that and enter buy position there, set our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward. And our target of this buy positions here, if you have entered here and the break of this, can be this level of resistance on the weekly time frame, or this trend line here. As you can see, we have 2 touches on that. You know, our target of this buy position can be touch of this trend line. And if we see some reactions on that in the lower time frames, like a shadow from upside, we can close our buy position and wait for the price to break it to the upside on daily time frame to enter again another buy position on Bitcoin, a long-term buy position. Let's check for our time frame to see what we have there. On 4-hour time frame, you know, we had this trend line for the price. If I can draw that for you. Come on. We had this one here because, you know, the markets are closed. We are not seeing red candles breaking it to the downside, okay? So we can extend it like this and wait for the next candles to break it to the downside, okay? A red candle must close below this. What there was outside the trend line was green candles, okay, not red candles. So we can wait for the price to break it to the downside, that we can have our sell position there with a stop loss above these candles and look for our reward. We also have this trend line from upside, but we should wait for this broken in the daily time frame, not 4-hour time frame. Let's check 1-hour time frame. You know, on 1-hour time frame the scenario is the same. I told you we should wait for this trend line broken to the downside, or we can just ignore this one by deleting it and draw a new trend line like this one. We can wait for the price to break this trend line to the downside, that we can open our sell position with a stop loss above the candles and look for our reward. Let's check 15-minute time frame. We have this level of resistance for the price. As you can see, the price got rejected several times from this level of resistance here, and also we had the candles. After that the price started falling and gave us our risk to reward once over here, okay? But we can wait for this trend line broken to the downside and we can enter sell position there. But for more safety, we can wait for 1 hour time frames candle break this trend line, then we can enter with more safety. Let's check 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, because the markets are closed and it is Saturday and also tomorrow is the same, we have less volume in the market, so I'm not recommending to enter buy and sell positions in the 5 and 1-minute time frame. So I'm not gonna analyze it today, but we will have a look at the market. You know, we had a trend line like this. The price touches that and it gives us a candle like this one. After that we could enter sell position here with a stop loss above the candle and get our reward, okay? And right now the price is making some patterns for us. We should wait for the price to make those patterns. With the break of those patterns we can enter buy and sell positions if you want to trade, okay? But I'm not gonna trade because it is Saturday. Let's check 1-minute time frame. You know, the candles are really ugly. I'm not gonna even analyze it. You know, you can see what kind of candles is this? Come on, like we have some candles here. Come on. Okay, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And if you have enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.